Hi guys! Tonight we're going to do something a little bit different. Instead of me taking you grocery shopping or to an art walk, well, I guess this is kind of like an art walk. What we're going to do is that I'm here at work covering an event. It's our holiday open house here at DOMA, and I figure I'd just kind of take you guys around and show you what's going on and get you in the festive holiday cheer. So hang tight, we'll get you some cool stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.